In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight bulb on a Toyota RAV4. Whether one of your lights is out or you just want brighter visibility, this is a simple fix you can do yourself. Start by turning off the engine and opening the hood. Behind the headlight housing, locate the round rubber cover. It protects the bulb. Gently twist and remove it. Next, you'll see the bulb connector. Unplug it by pressing the clip and pulling it straight off. Then release the bulb's metal retaining clip or twist lock depending on your model. Carefully pull the old bulb out. Now grab your new headlight bulb. Make sure it matches the specs for your RAV4. Avoid touching the glass part, as oils from your skin can shorten its life. Slide it into the socket and secure it with the clip or lock. Reconnect the electrical connector, replace the rubber dust cover, and close the hood. Turn on your headlights to make sure everything works. If this video helped you replace your RAV4's headlight bulb, please like and subscribe for more helpful car repair tips. Thanks for watching.